Yes, YouTube. What are we saying? Man, it is so cold. Damn, mate, you see the windows, innit? No, I've got a job to do. My bloody heater, look, isn't working. Stopped working, bruv. Packed up, giving up on man. Look, no speeds work. So it used to work on 3 and 4. 1 and 2 didn't work, so it was on its way out. But here I have the solution. Right here, sir. Look at this bad boy. So it is called heater fan resistor. This was obviously burnt out from the start. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change it. I've also got my other phone here to show me like the steps, but first things first is to draw the seat right back. I'm not going to fit there, so I'm going to have to do it at this angle. Put everything in the bag because the whole glove box needs to come out. All of this needs to come out. It's going to be long. So yeah, but yes, with the Uber videos, that's another thing, an update on the Uber, doing the Uber Eats videos. Yes, I am. It's so cold in here. This is torture. Yeah, I am going to get back to doing the Uber Eats videos with doing the deliveries. It's just that obviously this car that I obviously do it with is far too cold to be driving it around with no heater. So I've been using the other one, which I shouldn't really be doing because that's my decent family one that I don't really like using that for. But yeah, this is long, man. Okay, there's 2 bits there that you need to push out. Yeah, I actually need to just get it done one time, man, because it's so cold. The thing is, right, I don't know whether to run the engine because it seems like actually my body heat or breathing has made all the windows melt, or it's just melted anyway. That's another thing I need to fix. Look how slow that window is. That one's not too bad. All the ice is falling in the car, great. It gets better and better, doesn't it? Let me get the tools out there and get the tools. Needs to do this one time. Man, zip my coat up, man. I'm not playing no games with this cold, man, because sitting out in this cold car, you'll end up getting sick. No, don't tell me there's something missing. Mate, where is my socket set? Damn, looks like I'm gonna have to go and get it. It's bloody missing. I knew it. I should have checked that before I come downstairs. Let me just go and get that socket set in it. Alright, so I've had to flip the car over, spin it round. Man, my hands are cold. So first thing, you gotta move the 2 retaining clips to the bottom of the glove box. These things here. Now, if you can't see what I'm seeing, I'm sorry, but this is the best way for me to do it, is to have the camera on my head, so I'm not holding it. God damn, why can't I feel that one there? Staring it. See, you pull it out, then what? I can't pull it all the way. He's pulling it right out. This bugger ain't coming out at all, mate. Instead of hurting up my fingers, I want to use the bloody pliers, mate. Where's the pliers? Here we go. You know, let me resume this when I get the fucking glove box off, because see, look, he's took it off already. Alright, so finally got the bloody glove box off over there. Here, so I've done that bit. Come on, man. Next part, innit? This ain't a very good place to sit on, right on the sill. Right, so I need to take them 2 off. 2 screws right under there. So we take them off and then continue. So gonna get these other 2 screws out. Or 3. There's one there, one there. Why so many screws holding the damn glove box, man? We'll see. YouTube is a god blessing, man, because if it wasn't for YouTube, right, you can basically figure out how to do anything on YouTube. That's the beauty of it. So now I think the glove box should just come straight out. Of course, my one has to be difficult, innit? Like there's something else holding it. Should have worn some gloves, man. My hands are freezing. Come on. So the guy on the YouTube made it look so easy. I'm making it look so hard. Come on, out. Come out, your bumper class. Here we go. Another piece done. Oh, my hands are so cold. So you'd think, right, that there's more soundproofing than that in here, but there isn't. Let me get a torch measuring. Let me give it a torch measuring. See if man can see. I'm saying. So yeah, there's literally no soundproofing. Why is there no soundproofing? Dear. But yeah, this is under the dashboard. That's what I've got to get out right there, sir. And then it's job done. So the heater blower's back there somewhere. It actually wasn't that hard to get off, to be honest with you. So put the guidance back there. Just go back to the video where it was, because I've actually banged out quite a lot of that, and I need to put it back correctly, because if you don't put it back correctly, then that's when you start getting let me try again. Yeah, that's when you start getting unnecessary irritating rattles. Yeah, it's blown, mate. And not with the fuse either, because I need to check that as well. So there's the resistor right there. I don't know if you can see that because it's so dark, but see, I've unplugged it there. I've unplugged it here, the plug is there, and the resistor there. Now all I need to do is unbolt it and take it out. I bet it's all burnt out. We'll see when I take it out. So I've got it out. Here's the old one. It doesn't actually look burnt out, not that bad. It does look a bit funny at the back, dusty, but the internals must be fried or something. So the connections don't look bad, but it went in that way, so I have to put it came out that way, so I have to put it in that way. Yeah, simple. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that's what's gone. Screwing it back in. Don't want to round off the bloody screw or do any other damage. Come on. See, do it yourself, innit? You don't need a mechanic for everything. Yeah. Sitting on this sill right here is hurting my ass, man. It's absolutely killing my bum. Oh. Another thing I wanted to do is secure this. It's bloody hanging off. Well, I might do that next. So, whoever had this car before me was a waste man, bruv, because they never fixed nothing. Well, they must have attempted but did a bad job of it. Should have left the car running, really, because at least then the heat will be warm. That's not in properly. That's the moment of truth now. I can't even blow it. So plug it in. Right, so it's plugged in. Ignition. Please work, please. Doesn't work. Now, man. It's bloody car. Right, so it's not that that's gone. It just came on. It seems like it's the bloody switch. So when I put pressure on it, it comes on. Let's knock that off before breaking. So the thermostat thing I just changed actually works, but it looks like the switch is dodgy. Right, so I've managed to get it working. So this was burnt out, obviously gone. It's the old one. But this switch, I think this switch needs to be changed because I've had to pull the front flipping thing out and turn it with the pliers. So yeah, it's that's gone dodgy, this bit here. But don't touch it because the heater will go off. But yeah, I need to replace this part here. And I've been looking on eBay and they are roughly, that's just the front, what, 20 something to 30. I did see one like 50, forget that. There's one here for 25, but it's different. No, it's not the same as this one. The fan speed, you don't turn it, you press it. That's obviously, yes, it's different. But if I get this for £25, hopefully it works, because the last thing I would want to do is to order this and it doesn't bloody work. Look, so go down to Micra 2005 petrol hatch in it. It's 1.2. It's not LPG. It's that one. It's got to be 16 valve. Say that 80 brake horsepower here. This item doesn't fit. So this is what I mean. So eBay is quite good for that. So imagine if I was to buy that now and it doesn't work. So there's one here for 38. But it's just the same picture over and over again. Man, here's another one, 36. Apparently this fits my vehicle. So the same thing again. I'll save that actually. Certified recyclable, £36, non-AC. See, I've got air conditioning, so that's no good. See, an AC one is fucking, sorry for the swearing, it's £42 from the same people. It's just the fact that it's got AC. So how to take this off anyway is just 2 screws at the top, look, right there, and it comes out by the looks of it. And you can't really fiddle with it because it's only plugs in the back, so you can't really mess with behind there unless you rip the front off, because that's obviously what the back looks like. I need to change that anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna order £42. I think I'm gonna keep looking because that shit is just getting higher and higher. One there for 78. Are they smoking drugs? They're gonna be smoking something. 70 something pound for it. See, look, oh man. But yeah, that's the thermostat. Yeah, that's this changed anyway. The new one's in, the heater's working again. So yeah, I'm sorry that next time, right, we're recording the video, I'm gonna actually use like a tripod or something, because doing that with it on my head was a bit iffy. Like, you couldn't see what I was doing properly, which is why I had to take off my head. But yeah, you guys, subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one.